Hi there, welcome back to French Shaves. It's Monday and it's time for another shave. Excuse me if my throat is a little bit whacked up. I'm struggling a little bit with my throat, a little bit sore throat, so hopefully it will just dissipate again. We are trying out a new soap. Awesome label, Black Panther from BBS in Greece in their Elite Base Chronos 2.1, which is their Elite Tallow based formula. It's a great scent. Looks like this. This is quite firm. I can push my finger in, but still on the firmer side. It has a lot going on. When I sniff it, I think of green, something green. But there is a lot of scent notes here, and I can't pick them out other than I get the lemony, citrusy top, but there's so much going on here, and I can't pick out individual scent notes. It's very well blended. It's an inspiration by Asaro Pour Homme. If you have smelled that perfume, which I haven't, I will read all the scent notes to you and you can listen. Top notes are lavender, lemon, covey, basil, bergamot, clary sage, iris, and star anise. In the middle we get vetiver, sandalwood, patchouli, cedar, juniper, berries, and cardamom. And in the base we got oak moss, leather, Amatra, musk, tonka bean. So a lot of scent notes there. It's really nice. We'll see if I will do 2 or 3 passes today. I have a little bit dry skin, so I will see how far I will push it. Brush is a Frank shaving brush. I really like the shape and colors on this, and it's a beautiful turn brush. You can see the Frank shaving logo there. It's a G7 fan knot, 26mm. And razor is a classic. This is the Contract Tech Gillette from 1946, and inside we got a 5th use King C Gillette blade, which is the same blades as Gillette Platinums, as far as I have understand. So let's wet the brush. It's a great knot. This G7 is my favorite from Frank Shaving among the synthetics. If you are looking into some Frank shaving brushes, feel free to use my coupon code Fred_shaves at checkout. It will save you some bucks. I don't know how many percentages. I think it's probably 10. I'm not sure. I don't earn anything from it, but you will get a nice little discount and save some money on it. So we are loading up here. You can easily push a little bit with the brush in this base because it's quite firm, so you won't get overloaded too fast. But we are making sure to get a good and nice load into this G7 knot from Frank Shaving. So how has your starting week went out? Hopefully it's been nice and pasty there. A lot of suds. Gonna add cold water to the face. And it's been beautiful weather today. We are going into the 70s again, so summer's upon us. I really enjoy this time of year. It's really pleasant outside, not too hot nor too cold. It's just nice when it's in the high 60s to low 70s. Really enjoy that kind of temperatures. It's a nice scent strength as well on this soap. It's easily a 5 or 6 out of 10. The Chronos goes on pasty. I'm loading with quite a dry brush. I add a little bit of water just to get things a little bit going. But you can see this looks like a thick paste, so you're gonna add water. And if it's something the Kronos base can take, it's water. It's really thirsty, and it can take a fair drink with ease. And the Kronos ladder is a really dense, low structure ladder, and it just gobbles up all the water you can take, and it doesn't break. At least I haven't managed to break it. It just gets heavier and heavier until it starts to fall off from the very face and from the brush. A cat hair there from a cat, which still has an eye infection, but he's better. So those eye drops or eye cream has really helped. Still not very cool to give eye getting cream under the eyelids of a grown adult male cat that doesn't want to cooperate. And we shall do that 3 times a day. Today we have only managed to get 1 in. He really refused the second time. So it won't be 3 times today. We'll try once again before we are heading in beds tonight. A little bit itchy throat, sorry. I don't know if it's pollen or if it's a light cold. Both boys are having a little cold, so that could very well be the case. You can see I'm just adding tons of water, and the water just gets sucked up by the soap. But 1 more dip and I think we are ready to splay. And this is a really nice brush. Nice face feel. It gives a nice comfortable scrub. More water. Yeah. Really nice face feel. Soap feels at this point really nice on the face. I have never tried a soap from BBS which I have had any issues with. They are all really good. Yeah. Look, starting to get some water in there, but we are not done yet. This is a French Shaves video, and you know I like to lather, especially with these elite bases that just gobbles up all the water you can give. Just open up the knot there on the chin to make some water inside. Oh, that was a lot. But you can see it exploding in lather. More water. It's really easy to work with this soap, and it works both with a drier and a more wet lather, so you can add as much water as you want and get the consistency that you like. I will add the links to the BBS Etsy site in the description of the video. They have some really awesome products. Look. We are starting to struggle with the actual room on the face. There is no more room for any more lather. This is almost running off my face, but as you can see, it has an awesome sheen. And even though I really almost overdid it with water there, you can see the lather doesn't break. That's really impressive. Okay, first pass with the grain will be with this 70, close to 80 years old razor, 79 years. It's really mild, really forgiving, and it's a really nimble head, which I enjoy. And it's in great condition, being so old. Original gold plating. Let's see if the ladder drops. Come on. Boom. Ladder bombs on their way. Yeah, it's just falling off my face. It's really slick as well. And I got, yeah, quite exactly 24 hours of growth. The residual slickness is crazy good. Everything with this soap is elite. There we go. That's a nice and successive first pass. Wow. Really slick soap. Look how creamy and shiny that is. Okay. The second application here is a lot drier, but I don't need it to be dripping wet. This is really perfect. It's creamy and it still has that nice glossy surface, which I like my ladders to have. So second pass. Yeah, it's dripping off that ladder. Yeah, the skin feels like it can take 1/3 pass, so why shouldn't I? I will not go against the grain though. Only one more pass. Cross the grain, opposite direction. Nice backbone in this brush. I will say it's medium backbone. So let's scale from 1 to 10. 5. Really soft tips. This is a lot drier ladder than compared to the first one, but still a nice shine. And I will use it just as it is, just to show you the quality of the ladder in different hydration states. It feels to drag the around ice cube, it's so slick. No resistance in the razor whatsoever. And this is one of those soaps that's completely impossible to rinse all off your skin. The slickness is just stuck there, and it won't go away if you don't rub it for a really long time. But then you take away a lot of the good post shave. It's filled with so many good oils and butters. To give a nice shave. I think I will stop right there before I start to harm myself. Then again, Elite Performance will save me use Kronos 2.1 base many times on this channel. If you haven't tried it, you are missing out. They are for sale not only at Etsy, but you can also get them at the razor company over in the States. that will probably be cheaper shipping wise for you that are based over in America. Yeah. Skin feels really slippery. Even though I rinsed for a really long time there, still couldn't get off that thickness. Wow! Holy moly! Not the closest shaves. It's a decent shave. But man, what a pull shave. Ooh! And the scent from the soap is lingering. Really nice scent. And I'm gonna pair it off with a really good splash. It's alcohol based. I haven't opened it yet, so this will be my first sniff. Oh yeah, it's a nice strong potent scent there. Oof. Now I got the leather. That's awesome. Big splash. Nice little tingling from the alcohol. Working with the skin. And these splashes, I tell you guys, they are so moisturizing. I will use a balm just because my skin has been really dry the last days. It's been windy and I've been a lot outside, so I have tried to treat my skin with care. But first let's see how much lather we have left. Could easily have done some pickups. Suitable load then, didn't overload the brush, didn't waste too much lather. So just washing out the knot down here. The G7 is a dense synthetic knot, so it will give you some work to get truly clean. Like so. It feels like I have a little cold coming. Oh, face feels really nice. Let's see. I'm almost out of this, so maybe this will be the last usage. I need to get it out of this glass jar or bottle. It's a bottle, not a jar. But that's not the easiest thing to do. Cigari, that's enough. Tallow based aftershave balm. It really calms down skin. It's a great one. Wow. Some areas are in fact close to BBS, but of course I didn't go against the grain, so I can't expect it to be BBS anywhere, but yeah, I can feel it going upwards against the grain of the growth. I don't think the Black Panther is in stock anymore. I took a look at Etsy earlier today and I couldn't see it. It's awesome, guys, but check out other soaps that's there. It's brilliant stuff, I tell you that. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great week ahead, and until my next video, goodbye.